how to create landing page for Google Ads. And this time, what we're going to use is this system.io. So this is what it looks like, and all you have to do is simply go to any web browser and type system.io. And to start with this platform, you have to create an account. And as you can see here, there are tons of things that you can do here. You can manage your affiliates, you can create online courses, and all you have to do is to tap this Get My Free Account. You can automate your marketing. Okay. And what we're going to do now is to just simply create a funnel. So create sales funnels to be exact. To start, you can click Get My Free Account. But before that, let me show you what plan you can choose in order to build a good sale funnel here. So for the basic, these are the features that you can access if you're going to tap this free or basic version. But if you want to upgrade and unlock this wonderful and amazing features here, then you can upgrade to Startup, Webinar, and Limited. Okay, so let's tap this free first for this tutorial. So as you can see, I already tapped the start for free. And all you have to do is to open your email address to confirm. And then you have to get also this two-factor verification. So they will send a code to your email address in order for you to start. And this is what it looks like. This is system.io. And this is the dashboard. Here you can see the ongoing status or activities. Now, we will not be just focusing here. What you want to do now in order to restart with our tutorial is to simply go to funnels, and that is next to contacts. Tap this one, and this is what it looks like. And to create funnel, all you have to do is to go to the right side and tap this create here. So we have here create funnel, and what you want to do is to enter name. So for this tutorial, I have to name this as the Ultimate Sales Funnel Mastery System.io Unleashed, or I could just simply delete this one. And then choose your funnel goal, build an audience, collect email addresses, and build your own email list. But of course, everything is up to you. Now go down and tap currency and then click save, and that's it. So we have just set up our funnel. And in order to edit this, what you're going to do is just simply tap this name right here. And to really build our funnel, what we're going to do is to start with a squeeze page. So we have to select a page that matches to our funnel here. So since my funnel is all about how to master a sales funnel, then I have to select a template that is related or, match to that title or funnel. So everything is up to you if you want, but I have to select something that is kind of catchy. So I want to use this template right here. Catchy but simple. Okay, so since I'll be talking about sales and I want to show people about how effective it is, so I have to click this one. So all you have to do is to tap select. And then in order to edit that, of course, you just have to go to the right side and there you will see options. But before that, you must also add a thank you or thank you page. So you can select from any of the templates here. For example, this one, click select. And like we mentioned earlier, in order for you to edit, all you have to do is just simply go to the right side. Here you will see options like view funnel, edit page, change page, template. So what we're going to do now is to simply tap this edit page. Now what we're going to do is to just simply edit our page here or the template here. Because of course, most of the information of this page or this template is not matched or related to our funnel. So for example, this one, right? So actually you can simply delete some features if you think that these features are not necessary to your page. So for example, this one, all you have to do is to click this trash bin icon in order for you to delete this feature if you think it's not necessary or not important. Okay, and then move these features if you want. So I'm gonna start with my title. So I have to delete this one, change this to the Ultimate Sales Funnel Mastery Unleashed. And I want to also change the color so that it would be more captivating or it kind of attractive to the eyes of the customer. So let me change the colors right here to highlight sales funnel mastery. Okay. And then once you're done with this, then you can also change the description. As you can see below, I don't understand this one. It's not in English language. So I have to delete these and of course change this into something that anyone can understand. So I have this, for example, as a short description to my page that is related to sales funnel mastery. Okay, so that's it. I can change the format to bold, italic. I can change the color if I wanted to. I can even add some link here. If you want to add some URL, then all you have to do is to click this paperclip icon right here and then add this. Add the following. Okay, that's it. Now, moving on, you can also, change this or delete this icons right here, social media icons. And apart from that, you can also change the video. You can change in this part right here. If you have created your own image or if you have created a video and you want to upload or attach or put that image right here, you can just simply delete this and replace this image to a video or also the image. Also, you can add your social media platform by just clicking this icons right here and then paste the URL for your Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn, and YouTube. And once you're done, all you have to do is to click Save Changes. So we are done with the screens page. Now let's move on to our thank you page. So you just have to go back and tap this thank you right here. Click this edit page. So we can edit our thank you page. So tap this one, click edit page, and this is what it looks like. And yes, the same as what we did earlier. You could just simply delete this part if you think it's not necessary. Change the description, change the format, the color. Like you can add URL. And I want to change this first step, second step, third step because it's not necessary, but I will not delete this 1, 2, 3 here. So maybe instead of the step, I want to enter something. What can be the benefit of purchasing this or having access to this tool? Okay, so let me change this. Let me delete first this first step, second step, third step, and change this to the advantages of purchasing this. So we have high converting funnels, or the second advantage or benefit is we have here effortless automation, and the third one is below strategic audience engagement. Okay, so that's it. And you can change the video. You can change this to image or another video if you have, and then click save. And that's it. Now, another thing is that do not forget to, you should review your landing page before publishing it to see how it will appear live. You should also confirm that the marketing software integration functionality is functioning properly and that you're getting consumer contact information. Remember to include the meta description and page title. So if you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.